Hello everyone and welcome to the 22nd match in round 1 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between Ardenne Preparatory from St. Andrew up against Corinaldi Avenue Primary from St. James. I'm your host Sheldon Reed and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Ardenne Preparatory won. They decided that Corinaldi Avenue Primary should play first. So with 4 minutes on the NCB Insurance Omni Educator clock, Corinaldi Avenue, we begin with Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible comes immediately after Amos?
Daniel.
Incorrect. Obadiah. Ardenne, Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible comes immediately after Micah?
Jeremiah.
Incorrect. Nahum. Corinaldi Avenue, science. What is special focus? What is the special focus of a geologist?
Rocks and minerals.
Correct. Ardenne, science. What is the special focus of a meteorologist?
Weather instruments.
Correct. Corinaldi Ave, international affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Robert Tenmore.
Incorrect. Mariano Rajoy, Prime Minister of Spain. Ardenne, international affairs. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Brian Davis.
Incorrect. Prime Minister of Canada, Justin Trudeau. Corinaldi Avenue, English language. Complete this proverb. All good things must
Come to an end.
Correct. English language to you, Ardenne Prep. Complete this proverb. The squeaky wheel.
The squeaky wheel.
The bell came first and the question passes.
No, thank you.
Gets the grease. Corinaldi Ave, television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Zoe Saldana.
Incorrect. Candice Payton. Ardenne Prep, television. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Stacey Jackson.
Incorrect. Asia Naomi King. Corinaldi Ave, general knowledge. What is the main language spoken in the following countries? Cameroon, Madagascar, and Congo.
African.
Incorrect. French. General knowledge to you, Ardenne. What is the main language spoken in the following countries? Honduras, Nicaragua, and Uruguay.
Spanish.
Correct. Corinaldi Ave, social studies. Which ocean covers approximately 20% of the Earth's surface?
Atlantic Ocean.
Correct. Ardenne Prep, social studies. Which ocean basin of the Atlantic Ocean is largely surrounded by the North American continent?
Arctic Ocean.
Incorrect. Gulf of Mexico. Corinaldi Ave, music. What is the new stage name of the local recording artiste formerly known as Prodigal Son?
Prodigal.
Incorrect. Proddy. Music to you, Ardenne. Which local gospel artiste recorded the song Divine Mathematics?
DJ Nicholas.
Correct. Corinaldi Ave, mathematics. If you have 156 eggs, how many dozens can you get from that?
13.
Correct. Mathematics to you, Ardenne. If you have 180 eggs, how many dozens can you get from that?
15.
Correct. And that is the end of round 1. The scores currently read Ardenne Prep on 4 and Corinaldi Avenue Primary also on 4. Before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, try to be upbeat even when all is not going well. Think positively when you're studying or heading into an exam. Stay with us. This match in round 1 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.